Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'll show you a spatula art. Now I have two spatulas with me, okay? So I'll show you how to do a spatula art. I'll do a flower, okay? And first I've given the base in white, okay? So that it looks the flower gets the colors should get brighter, looks brighter. So I'm starting with the color yellow. I've taken lemon yellow, I've taken orange, I've taken vermilion hue, red, I've taken blue, Persian blue, I've taken burnt sienna. Okay, and first base color I'll give with lemon yellow. You can see the first I'm making the the shape, the petals, and then just giving it a spatula turn. Okay, give it very slowly, take the colors and blend it very nicely so that the petals should be shown very nicely, it should be shown perfectly. And try not to no show some the scratches. Okay, you have to blend it very nicely, you have to get it very smooth. First make the shapes and then make it very smooth. As you see, take the colors, blend it very nicely. And as I have given the base color yellow, you have seen, so just see the colors are blending very nicely. Don't worry about the colors getting scratched and all. It's the main look of the, it is the only look of the spatula, it is the actual spatula look. The color will look like half and spatulas, it will look like mosaic shapes also. So let's see. As you see that my lemon yellow is finished, and now I have changed my spatula. I have taken the earlier one was a diamond shaped, and this is one is a spade shape. Okay, so that the colors will be blending very nicely, and there will be less scratches. And now I have given, first I have given the orange, blend it very nicely, and then I have mixed a little bit of Persian blue in it, and then given the darker shades. You can give the darker shades later also, but I like to give it now only, so that it can blend very nicely. For a little brighter shades, I have used Crimson Lake also. Okay, there are some parts which I have left yellow to give a brighter shade, and here I am using a little bit of Crimson Lake to give a brighter shade, so that it looks nice on the brighter part. It should give a depth also. You have to blend the spatula very nicely so that scratches should be not be shown, and all the colors will be mixing very nicely without the brush. You have to mix the colors without the brush very nicely with the spatula only, and it actually spreads very mix very good. And I like to sometimes I really like the spatula look. It looks very it looks unlikely not smooth, but still it looks very nice and clear. It's not smooth, but still it looks very much arty and very much clear. For the background part, I'm using Persian blue. Okay, so that the background I'm giving Persian blue is the reason is that so that the flower comes out, the lighter parts of the flowers will come out very nicely. Okay, and you can turn your paper as you wish, as I am turning my paper. Okay, the left side will be a little bit you know lighter, and the right sides will be a little bit darker, the bluer part. Now I'm giving a shape of the flower, scratchy the scratch part so that it looks nice. These are the some of the finishing parts, finishing touch, so that it looks nice, it looks real. The last part I'm mixing a little bit of white with, so that it blends very nicely. It gives a very nice and a nicer look. You have to scratch the spatula so that the color blends very nicely before the color dries up. The flower is ready. It has yellow, it has orange, it has crimson lake, it has vermilion hue, it has blue. I hope you like this video and you like my spatula art. Do like, subscribe and share my channel.